So I didn't go to school today because I really want to show you something, the truth about making money as a student. So, and I'm going to split this into two. I'll do my best to make sure you understand the whole truth about it. One part of it is going to be online.
Delicious.
The other one is going to be how you can do it offline. The truth of the matter is making money is not really easy, especially if you're a student. Although many people tell you, hey, you need to work hard. One thing I ask them is if work hard on what? I mean, someone doesn't even know what to do and you're telling him to work hard.
This morning, I woke up today and this morning. In the morning I woke up this morning, I woke up. And remember that every morning that I wake up,
Making money, sometimes you need money to make money, but if you don't have at all, you can still make it. But let me show you how. One thing you can do, you can either do it online or do it offline. When I was working back then, like as a student online, I worked to most of this musical company, and it was really cool. I sell solar, I work as virtual assistant, and it was really paying then. And although now the tech space is very saturated and you might not get it easy there, and here's one thing again you can do. You can work as a car dealer or something, like bring referrals to car dealers and they give you commission. That's how I started, and now I'm a full-time car dealer. Or you can work in club, especially, sometimes you need to take risk. You need money, and you need to be very careful too when taking risks. So one of the things you can do, you can work in a club, like you can bring ballers to the club too, and then come and spend money, and then the club give you commission. Or maybe as a result, you can have like opportunities to get money in the club as a result. I think this is one of the things you can do. You can work online. If you want to work online, I need you to look at either tech, or maybe something has to do with AI, since AI is something that is booming. Now you can look at AI, or you can look at tools that students are going to need, especially in solving scholarly stuff. And if you want to work offline, you can look at like car dealership or referring people to buy from someone. If you are good with girls, like unlike me, I can talk to anybody. I can talk to girls, I can talk to guys, I can talk to any girl at any point in time. So sometimes I refer them to buy hair from somebody and then they give me commission, or sometimes I refer them to come to club, they give me commission. Sometimes I refer people to go and buy a car from someone, they give me commission. And at this point, dealers can really trust me. That time when I started, dealers trust me. Sometimes a car worth 400 million, they trust me a car worth 600 million, cause they know and deliver. So these are some of the things you can do, and you make money as a student. So the best thing I will even say is don't waste your time chasing everything. Just be patient. All these quick way getting money doesn't really work, and you only frustrate yourself. Imagine you paying the little you have to someone that says they are going to help you make money, only to end up being broke at the end. And if you find this helpful, let me know in the comment.